This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 22: Improving Your Emotional Intelligence. To excel in emotional intelligence, one must identify emotions, actively listen to others' perspectives, develop empathy, manage emotions through self-awareness techniques, and respond with emotional understanding to build strong relationships. Emotional intelligence allows emotions to be incorporated into cognitive tasks like reasoning and decision-making, enabling positive emotion management and turning negative emotions into learning opportunities while avoiding expressions of anger and immaturity in interpersonal interactions. Emotional intelligence encompasses empathy, relating to others, and personal competencies like self-awareness, high motivation, strong social skills, and the ability to understand one's own emotions and those of others. Individuals with high emotional intelligence demonstrate understanding, empathy, sensitivity in relationships, ease in forming friendships, a sense of humor, a willingness to take on challenges, and the ability to consider others' perspectives. In contrast, those with low emotional intelligence exhibit anger, aggression, avoidance of challenges, neglect of relationships, and a solely self-focused viewpoint. Emotionally intelligent individuals link emotion and cognition for constructive decision-making, maintaining intentionality, resilience, creativity, social skills, and honest consistency. Their emotional maturity helps them cope with adversities without breaking down and prioritize problem-focused coping under stress. To enhance emotional intelligence, one can observe and model role models displaying emotional intelligence, engage in self-renewal activities, learn from life experiences through self-reflection and journaling, and cultivate spiritual practices emphasizing nonviolence, truthfulness, detachment, and tranquility. The brain's amygdala, part of the limbic system, controls emotions and passions, but can be modulated through behavioral practice. Teaching alone is ineffective. The individual must practice desired behaviors, which can change their behavior and amygdala functioning, benefiting them in the process. In summary, emotional intelligence allows incorporating emotions into cognition. Emotional management turns negatives into positive learning. Empathy and self-awareness are key dimensions. High emotional intelligence means understanding, resilience, empathy, and social skills, while low emotional intelligence shows anger, avoidance of challenges, and neglect of relationships. Practicing self-renewal, reflection, and spirituality enhances emotional intelligence. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.